Well, Mwalimu exits. And yes, it's change. Change is inevitable. And we all go through those phases of change. After 10 years at Homeboyz Radio, I figured it was time to make that change in my life. And not because I was unhappy, because I could see, some of the questions that you asked, say on Instagram, were Maze Mwalimu kwa nini unaenda? Like Enrique asked, why? Teary-eyed and everything. It's not because, they did me wrong. I was not happy with the pay. Of course, we always want a few more zeros on that paycheck, don't we all? But it just felt right. It was time, and I am at that phase in my life where I want to be more adventurous with the choices that I make. So yes, there's another opportunity in the horizon, and yes, you will still hear me on the airwaves, and it's gonna be different. I did me while I was at Homeboyz Radio with Class 1 to 4. That show was very much a part of me, and it was a great run on the show. Amazing relationships were formed, and conversations as well. And we set the pace. But after a long run with something, you want to take it a notch higher. And sometimes it's hard to get out of that mentality until you change your environment. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I felt the need to make this video so that everyone can understand that no, it's not because something is wrong within Homeboyz Radio and that's why, oh my God, you're leaving and something must be wrong, administration wise and all that. Apana. No, it's not because it was just because the money was better on the other side. No, it's simply because I just want to see what else is out there, and it is time. It just felt right. Okay. Let me just read a couple of the messages and questions that were asked. Like Singora was like, ntakumiss Maze, it's so sad. I don't want you to be sad. I want you to actually be happy for me, because this is growth, this is change, and I'm ready for it, and I want it in my life, you see. Johnny said this, OMG Mwalimu Joe, we'll miss you, teacher. You've been the best mentor. You always brought the class on fire. You like your hearts. Long live HBR. I think you're trying to say, I like your heart, or you like our hearts. I don't know, something. Yeah. Kamba alikuwa nasema, mimi nataka kurepeat. After you've done something for so long, and that's why I also needed this change in my life. You get to this comfort zone, in this place where even in the middle of the night, I kid you not, if you were to wake me up and tell me, Class 1 to 4 ndio imeanza, anza show. Good afternoon, welcome to Class 1 to 4. It's your girl Mwalimu Rachel on Homeboyz Radio 103.5 FM. How you doing? You understand? Like it's very mechanical, and not because I'm not feeling the show anymore. It's just, it's so ingrained in me. It's automatic. So I want to accept this new change in my life. This new change also will come with other opportunities. This new change will challenge me beyond being a presenter, which is what I wanted actually the most. I want to see, can I get into some bit of marketing? Can I get into creating things, for the station and whatnot? And I was hungry for that. You put it out into existence and then it happens. Sindio? Yeah. So that. Let me read a couple of your messages. Sherry Candido was like, wait, what? Others were saying Aki teacher usiende. Lee Waka again was like, Kwani, what is happening with you guys at Homeboyz? What's the problem? It's not a problem, it's just change. Ray says, I'll miss your positive vibe and motivation talks. I remember the guy from Rongai who wanted to kiss you in studio. I still watch the video on YouTube. Gone but not forgotten. Please, sijakufa sawa. I remember that show. You see, I want other people's like now share me with the rest of Kenya, because where I'm going is a national platform. Okay, something I did not have before, and my brand has grown to that point where more people need to know me, and more people need to listen from me, and more people need to just hear what I have to say, what I have to share, and experience me more. So one thing I ask of you is, and this really is the basics of it all, everything that we discussed in class 1 to 4, everything that we learned, everything that was aha moment, carry it with you and pass it along to somebody else who's going to be in need of that. I mean, that's why we even have this YouTube channel, that you need to share, by the way, the content that you find. It's not just for you alone. So even as we're speaking, can you be sharing this video on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, wherever? Pass it along so that that teenager can get to watch and learn something or be encouraged. That person who is stuck somewhere in their life and they need, push out, can see this video or any other video, and just be like, okay, I need to just do this. Yes, that is why we make this video here at Mwalimu Rachel TV, okay? So that other people can join in and get help, get encouraged, get to be entertained as well, okay? So, tusilie, and very soon you'll get to find out where I'm moving to. I still can't tell you. I know. I'm still trying to keep you in suspense, kidogo. But you get to find out, and you will love me even more, perhaps, okay? I'm still going to be Mwalimu Rachel. That is not going to change. I am still going to entertain you. I am still going to give you life lessons, tell you about my experience. I'm still going to be fun. I'm still going to be me and a bag of chips. Okay? So subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so that you can actually stay updated on my moves. I mean, #making moves. Holla. Subscribe.